Alright, well, got it cleared out. Wasn't able to film it because I needed two hands. I had to hold,
You want me to follow you back up, right?
I had to hold a button and flip the switch and hold it, so yeah, got it taken care of and heading back up to the yard now just because it's still too wet. Hopefully the sun comes out, otherwise it's gonna be pretty late in the morning before we can get going again, which sucks, but what do you do? Alright, little bit before noon, and we're gonna give it a try again. Sun came out for a little bit and the wind picked up, so hopefully it should be, at least all the dew should be off of the stalks. Hopefully that it's off of the ears too, so don't have to worry about the kernels being high moisture, but yeah, we're gonna give it a try anyway. I'm just letting the combine warm back up a little bit, and cooled all the way back off just from sitting for the 2 hours that it did, so I'm gonna let it warm up and then give it a try. So, we're still going. Got, monitor says about 16% moisture, and then my tester said about 17. So, yeah, we're just gonna keep on going with that. And I got the grain cart full once, so she plans going up to unload, and then she's gonna come back and catch another one. And on this field, we got to take a cut in the middle just because it's so long that can't make it a full round without having to dump. So gonna make a pass through the middle on this next round as long as I don't fill up before I get to the end. But yeah, it's going good again. There's dust flying. This morning there wasn't any, so hoping that today it doesn't get too warm, and so tomorrow there's not a lot of dew on the ground, but who knows, it probably will. Just, yeah, it feels good to be back combining some corn. And then I don't think we'll be able to get done with this field tonight just because we had to wait so long to start, but hopefully finish it up tomorrow morning and then get the bean head on and do some beans. So we're calling it a day. I don't know exactly how much we got done, just because the acre counter reset on me about 3/4 to half the way through. But yeah, it's about 7:10 right now. Elevator closed at 7. We got the trucks filled up for the morning. Grain cart is heaping full. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but yeah, it's heaping full. I told my mom to slowly drive it over here, but yeah, it feels like we got a lot done today, but when I drove back through the field, it really doesn't look like it. But for starting at noon and having some piddly stuff with waterways that I had to do, only having 2 trucks, having to teach Kathy my mom how to run the grain cart again, and having her just kind of be slow, getting used to it again. I feel like today was a good day, but yeah, back at it in the morning. And quickly before I go back in the yard, I'm gonna knock all these corn husks and everything off, just to try and clean it up better. And it's supposed to get windy tonight, and I don't think Tim, who lives there, would appreciate a bunch of husks in the yard. So I'm gonna get that done, and then I'm gonna call it a night. Well, if you liked today's video, like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have something you want us to hear. But other than that, hope you guys liked today's video. So yeah, till next time, have a good one.